Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today, and today we are back at Universal Orlando Resort. We are once again staying at the Hard Rock Hotel, so we're excited to see what's new since the last time we stayed here, and we're excited to take you guys along with us. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. Tonight we are checking into the Hard Rock Hotel at Universal Orlando Resort. Being one of Universal's 3 premier hotels, we will see what the Hard Rock has to offer. During our visit, we will be checking out our room, the pool, and all the other hotel amenities. So let's get checked in. Alright guys, so we have made it to the Hard Rock Hotel. Just for reference, right here to my right is the check-in desk. That's where Seth is going to be going. I'm going to take a look around with you guys. Of course, as he checks in, and then right here to my left takes his luggage and my luggage to luggage services, but let's take a quick look around. So right down here is the Velvet Bar. Again, just for reference, it's here to the side of the check-in desk, and it is open right now, so let's go check out the bar menu. And as we are walking into the Velvet Bar over here, I couldn't help but notice we do have some really cool memorabilia, of course, from like Angus Young, and who's that from? David Bowie? Yep, cool.
Paul Stanley guitar.
Oh, and Paul Stanley, really cool items in here, so just be sure to check it out as you walk around the hotel. Alright guys, so here is the menu for the Velvet Bar. We have some summer specialty cocktails, some traditional cocktails, some zero proofs, some small plates, boards, flatbreads, and desserts. So of course they do have some food options for you. And then we have some wine by the glass and by the bottle, some bourbon, Irish whiskey, bourbon and scotch flights, and just scotch for the individual drink, tequila, rum, vodka, beer, my goodness. And that is about it. So they have a lot here at the Velvet Bar. Let's check out the rest of the hotel.
And here is the outdoor seating here, which is directly outside of the Velvet Bar. Looks like they actually got a little bar out here. But even if you're not partaking in the Velvet Bar, like I am this morning, you can come out here and just sit, relax, eat a snack, you know, just hang out. But there's plenty of seats out here to overlook the big, beautiful pool here. It's really a beautiful place to be and hang out.
And we were walking down from the main lobby area, past one of the Velvet Bar entrances, and I noticed a guitar here from John Bon Jovi, one of my favorites. So again, just be sure to really check out all of the memorabilia here because they do have a lot to look at. And past that Velvet Bar entrance with the Bon Jovi guitar, we have an internal entrance to the Palm Restaurant, as well as a business center where you can, maybe use a computer printer, things like that. But if you need that, it is there. But let's check out the rest of the hotel.
So directly to the left, or right, depending on where you're standing, of the lobby is the Rock Shop, which is the gift shop for the hotel. So let's go in and see what they've got. First thing I see is some polo type shirts for men. They've got hats. Looks like they've got some comfortable wear with the Hard Rock logo, specifically Hard Rock Orlando. Kind of like the color thing that they've got going. It's like pastel kind of colors. They've also got some, kind of makes me think of like America thing with the flags and all, but here's more men tees. They've got different magnets, scarves, patches, looks like bags. They've got Red Bull Racing hoodies, vests. There's some more shirts, so it must be a partnership that they got going on with the Oracle Red Bull Racing team. As I've kept going further back in the store, I've found some different hats, different types of mugs and water bottles, and then they've got a whole wall here of even more t-shirts. They've got a pretty good selection of sunglasses. If you forgot yours, lost yours, or you need a pair. Some more shirts and hoodies. I do like the record. Oh, and it actually says Hard Rock. All that is kind of neat. You can see that there. And yeah, right up here they do have Richie Sambora's guitar, John 5, and Jeff Beck. And one of our favorites that they have here is Gene Simmons's bass axe. This says This was a prototype axe base. It was designed for the Psycho Circus tour. Back here they've got like medicines and deodorant, some snacks, a few things that you might need while you're on vacation without having to go to the grocery store. They do have a small cooler back here full of drinks that you could grab. And they've got some swimwear, flip-flops, sunscreen, swimming trunks. So that's kind of handy if you didn't bring them, but you decided, hey, I want to go down to the pool. So as I've continued right past the Velvet Bar, they do have these ballrooms and boardrooms, which looks like no one's using them at the moment this morning, but they are for guests to rent.
Alright guys, so let's check out our room. We did ask for a room with a bathtub, so I believe we do have an ADA compliant room. So let's check it out. Right here to my right, we have our closet with some extra sheets. We have some hangers and a luggage rack. And then here we do have our little wet bar with the coffee maker, ice bucket, and fridge, of course, our mini fridge right here. And then here in the bathroom, we do have some extra storage space. And then, of course, we have our bathtub with some of, in my opinion, the best universal toiletries, which is the Hard Rock Rock Spa options. We love those, so we'll be taking those home for sure. So let's check out the bedroom here. We do have a 2-queen bedroom, so we just have the standard 2-queen beds. Hard Rock also has a little detail here with the mirror in each room showing you exactly the height of some celebrities so you can compare your height. And we also have a little birthday treat for me. This week is my birthday, so Seth got this from the concierge service, and it says happy birthday, Courtney. And if you guys have a birthday in your party, you can, of course, ask the concierge service for that. We would recommend asking, of course, before your stay, just so they can have that prepared for your room. But we have some little decorative Hard Rock themed speaker head artwork. And we also have some information on the hotel, as well as some menu items here if you want to like order room service or anything. And this is our view for this week. We do have a view of the entrance of the hotel, which we actually have never had before, so it's just a little bit different. But as you can see, people are coming and going, so hopefully this won't be too much of a distraction for us. But as you guys know, we spend most of our time in the park. But this is our room in a nutshell. We also get Universal Express Pass, so let's check out those room keys now. Alright guys, so here are our room keys with Hard Rock, Royal Pacific, and Portofino Bay. You do get the unlimited express passes for each day of your stay, so Hard Rock, of course, we get that as well. And you do use your room key as the express passes, so Seth and I have gotten our room keys here. But for now, we're going to take you guys along as we explore the rest of the hotel. So let's go.
So on the bottom floor, which is the first floor, right beyond the elevators, is Emack and Bolios Marketplace. The walkway to the kitchen, directly to the pool. You can walk up the stairs here, which takes you to the third floor, which is the main lobby. You can also take a left and go to the water taxi or shuttle bus. So this is a quite busy area, especially in the mornings. But first, I wanted to walk in and check out Emack and Bolios. It is actually a Starbucks as well, so let's go in here and see what they've got. So right off, it looks like they've got different snacks, some waters, sun protection there. They've actually got some pool floats and goggles, alcohol, wine. They do have some of the Starbucks coffee right over there. There's a freestyle machine back here. In the coolers, they've got water, juices, milk, alcohol. Looks like they've got some things like puzzles, lunch boxes. We've got a microwave toaster for some of these items, which include pastries, croissants, muffins. They've got cookies, donuts, Cliff Bars. We also got some fresh fruit, chips, more types of snacks, and other soft drinks and things here. Here at the main counter here, you can tell it is like a Starbucks, so they could fix you any kind of beverage that Starbucks would have. But over here on the right hand side, they are advertising some of those items like the muffins and croissants. They make smoothies, and you can also order a bacon, egg and cheese croissant, So it is morning time. I will come back by later in the evening to see what they offer, maybe at lunch or in the evening.
And right here next to the Emack and Bolio entrance is the entrance to the kitchen, which is just right outside. Seth and I absolutely love the kitchen, but unfortunately we don't think we're going to be able to eat here this trip just because we have other plans. But you guys can feel free to watch one of our old Hard Rock videos. Menu hasn't changed, and check out our review.
Alright, so we're back from Emack and Bolios into our room, and this is the Italian hot panini. And I think we might have got this one of our previous trips, but we do like Italian sandwiches, and it was good last time, so we had to get it again. But we just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and we'll let you guys know what we think later.
Alright y'all, so let's take a quick look at the pool. This pool is pretty standard, but they do have a water slide, which is one cool thing. And also we plan on eating at the beach club a little later this evening, so we'll show you guys some of the food and drinks there. We've never eaten there before, but let's check out some of the pool areas. So over here they do have some towels for you, so you don't have to bring any from your room or from home. But they also do have the cabana rentals here, and you can either talk to a pool attendant or you can call ahead and do this, but you can't order food and drink obviously when the beach club is open. But as you can see, it comes with nice little seating areas, a TV, I believe there might be a mini fridge in there, and just some cozy spots to hang out by the pool. And in addition to the water taxi, there is a walking path available. Seth and I always cut here through the pool because it does save a couple of steps, but it is a very short walk from Hard Rock to the gates of Universal Studios. And like I said, right over here is the beach club. They'll open just a little bit later. And also, Seth and I aren't swimming this trip, but we have ridden the water slide before. So if you guys want to see a POV of that, just be sure to check out our last Hard Rock stay video after this video. And right over here, part of the beach club area, they do have like some billiard tables. So if you're looking to maybe hang out and have a couple drinks, this is an option as well. Alright guys, so we are at the beach club pool bar. Let's take a quick look at the menu here. It looks like a little CD disc. We have the appetizers, salads, flatbreads, entrees, kids meals, smoothies, sweets. And then we are getting into the alcoholic drinks, rocks, frozen drinks, and daiquiris here. And then we have margaritas, a specific margarita section, tiki drinks, beers and wines. And we also have mocktails, non-alcoholic drinks, and a Bloody Mary and mimosa bar, which is similar to what the kitchen has. So let's flip back here and tell you guys what we're going to be getting. I'm going to go with the chicken tender plate, pretty simple. And Seth is going to go with the Philly cheesesteak here. And for drinks, I got the Ship of Fools. I said bartender's choice. I wanted something like similar to a pina colada, so that is what our bartender picked. And Seth got the what? The Woodford Mule. I do not like mules, but Seth does like those, so we'll let you guys know what we think once we get our drinks and our entrees. Alright guys, so we got our drinks. I did ask about these souvenir glasses that we got. Unfortunately, they are not like refillable, so if you bring them back, you won't get a discount. But they are super nice, as a souvenir for your stay. But I got my pina colada inspired drink, and Seth got his mule. We're going to dig into these. We'll let you guys know when our entrees get here. Alright guys, so unfortunately this took about upwards of 30 minutes to get this food, and just for reference, Wednesday night, not terribly busy. But anyways, here is my barbecue chicken tender basket. You can get it tossed or get the sauce on the side. And here is Seth's sandwich. He got that with onion rings instead of the fries. We'll dig into this. We'll let you guys know what we think.
So next, let's check out the power station. which is the hotel's game room. Man, it's quite loud in here with all the noise of all the games, but looks like they've got a couple crane machines, Walking Dead, Rabbids, air hockey, Jurassic Park. I love, and I think I say it every time, but I do think it's really cool for the hotels to have Universal themed. So like you got Jurassic Park there, and soon to Universal in Orlando, Mario Kart. And I've actually played this arcade game a few times, not the one here, but it's really fun. So out here at the main entrance, you can see where the road comes in here. That's from the main street there, but general parking is to the left here and to the right if you are going to pay for parking. Otherwise, when you're getting dropped off from Uber or wherever, they'll come up this driveway here, right under the covered portion there, and right there's the main entrance. Also out here, they've got the infamous water fountain here with all the guitars. Also out here, it looks like some of this is the valet parking. I guess they do keep some spaces up here for those. If not, they will park your car in one of the lots down here. But there is a dedicated entrance to the Palm Restaurant, which is an expensive but quite popular restaurant here at the resort. And later, we're going to be trying to stop there this week, which will be another video coming soon.
Alright guys, so we are all done with our stay here at Hard Rock. I wanted to wrap up some of the things that we tried and tell you a little bit about what we done. So first we did need to review the food from the beach club. Unfortunately, it was like semi-busy. We waited about 35 minutes for chicken tenders and a cold sandwich.
Yeah.
So that was unfortunate, but the food was, you know, chicken tenders and a sandwich. So it's not really here nor there as far as like the quality. It was just what it was. And we have never been to that bar before, so I'm sure we'll go back. The drinks were pretty good. And we got the souvenir cups and stuff. But if you wanted more of like a dinner type food, I would probably suggest going somewhere else for that.
Yeah, like the kitchen or something.
Yeah. And we also got the flatbread. Was it a panini?
Yeah.
Yeah, from the downstairs in Emack and Bolios. And it was pretty good. It wasn't quite how I remembered it, and I think I'm mixing it up with the Market Deli at Portofino.
Yeah.
I think their Italian sandwich is much better if my memory is serving me correctly, but it was pretty good. You liked it more than I did.
Yeah, I liked it. And like whatever's like sauce they put on it, it wasn't mayonnaise.
It threw me off being warm.
Yeah.
Like Italian sub type being warm is what threw me off. But we had an absolutely great stay. This is still one of our favorite hotels. We can come and go to like the entrance of studios in less than like 3 minutes.
Yep.
So that is what we enjoy big time about this. And also we did eat at the Palm Restaurant, so be looking for that video very soon. We'll be posting that within the next couple weeks, hopefully. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like this video, comment, let us know if you ever stayed at Hard Rock Hotel Orlando before, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Universal content coming soon. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.